If you don't like cats but still enjoy a good laugh, then this is for you. Meet Mr. Whiskers, the Houdini of house cats. Today he's planning the ultimate escape from his cardboard box fort. First, he checks the perimeter with all the seriousness of a spy. Then he attempts a daring squeeze through an impossibly tiny hole. Will he make it? Or will he get stuck in the most ridiculous way possible? Stay tuned as Mr. Whiskers twists, turns, and hilariously wiggles his way through this epic adventure. Spoiler alert, there's a lot of fluff and a little bit of chaos. Don't miss the grand finale where Mr. Whiskers' determination meets gravity. Will he escape or end up in a furry predicament? Click to find out and get ready to laugh out loud.